Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we'll dive into the next 10 questions of the AWS Cloud Practitioner exam. So, let's dive into the world of AWS. Which of the following are design principles for reliability in the AWS Cloud? Select 2. The 2 design principles for reliability in the AWS Cloud are: B. Simulate failures to test recovery processes. D. Use automation to recover immediately from failure. What is a benefit of using AWS serverless computing? The answer is D. Management of infrastructure is offloaded to AWS. With serverless computing, AWS manages the underlying infrastructure, allowing developers to focus on building and running applications without worrying about provisioning or scaling servers. Which AWS service or tool does AWS Control Tower use to create resources? The answer is AWS CloudFormation. AWS Control Tower uses AWS CloudFormation to create and manage resources as part of setting up and governing a multi-account AWS environment. A company wants a report that lists the status of multi-factor authentication devices that all users in the company's AWS account use. Which AWS feature or service will meet this requirement? The answer is IAM Credential Reports. IAM Credential Reports provide information about the IAM users in your account, including the status of their MFA devices. A company is considering a move to the AWS cloud. The company wants to be able to scale its compute resources as needed to meet demand. Which benefit of the AWS cloud does this scenario describe? The answer is D. Elasticity. Elasticity refers to the ability to automatically scale compute resources up or down based on demand, allowing companies to efficiently manage their workloads and resources as needed. Which feature of Amazon S3 can restore accidentally deleted or overwritten objects? The answer is S3 versioning. S3 versioning allows you to keep multiple versions of an object in the same bucket, enabling you to recover previous versions if an object is accidentally deleted or overwritten. Which of the following are features of Network ACL as they are used in the AWS cloud? Select 2. The correct options are Option A, they are stateless, and C, they evaluate all rules before allowing traffic. Network ACL are stateless, meaning that they do not keep track of the state of connections, and they evaluate all rules for both inbound and outbound traffic before allowing or denying it. A company needs to invoke an AWS step functions workflow each time an Amazon EC2 instance state changes to running. Which AWS service can the company use to meet this requirement? The answer is the Amazon Event Bridge. Amazon Event Bridge can capture events related to state changes in EC2 instances and can be configured to trigger a step functions workflow in response to those events. A company needs to build applications that deliver low latency to end-user devices that use a 5G mobile network. Which AWS service will meet these requirements? The answer is AWS Wavelength. AWS Wavelength extends AWS infrastructure to telecom networks, allowing applications to serve end users. A user wants to review all Amazon S3 buckets with ACL and S3 bucket policies in the S3 console. Which AWS service or resource will meet this requirement? The answer is Access Analyzer for S3. Access Analyzer for S3 helps you identify the resources in your Amazon S3 environment that are shared with external principals, enabling you to review and analyze the access permissions of your S3 buckets. So, these were the 10 questions of AWS Cloud Practitioner exam series. Hope you found this video helpful. And if you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, then don't forget to subscribe for more content. See you in the next video.